Today we're going to show you how to replace the LED lights on the low-profile microwave hood combination.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you get started, unplug the microwave.
You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and what I would recommend is taking a towel and placing it over your stovetop to protect it, just in case you drop a screw. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to remove the 4 screws that are holding down the T-shaped light cover. Now on your last screw, make sure that you're holding on to the T-shaped bar here, because this is frosted glass. You don't want it to drop on your cooktop. Okay, there are 2 metal tabs that are holding the LED light in place. You might have to bend them back just a little bit to loosen the board, and it'll slide right out. You unplug the LED light. There's a little separation right here. Just work your fingernail in there and it should unplug. To replace the LED light, you will plug it back in. And then slide it back into the slot where you took it out from before. And then you'll replace the T cover. And then test your light, and you're done.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.